Hello students and happy Thanksgiving break. I hope that you are looking forward to a beautiful week with your family and friends and lots of tasty food, and you have a chance to relax just a little bit until we come back for final story project. So big blinking red lights. It is due December 1st. It's 150 points. Please recall that I do not accept late work. You are going to submit it here. So whether it's the slides you're doing for your PowerPoint presentation or the video link through YouTube, don't try to send a big, huge file because I won't be able to open it, or the letter, depending on which one that you've selected, you're going to submit it here. Remember to, hopefully you've started and already done a lot of work on this, but remember to use your planning document and the final story rubric to make sure that you've got everything. So I would start using it when you begin, and then when you're done, just go through it again really quick to make sure that you have everything. So December 1st, I am not going to be around this week, and so I'm going to check my email, but I'm out of state in the countryside, so I will probably be a little bit longer in getting back to you. So December 1st, 11:59, I'm looking forward to seeing you for the last weeks of the semester. Bye.